Hello friends, welcome to the lecture series of Industrial Automation for 3rd year Electronics and Telecommunication. I am Mrs. Suryanshi from Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. Today we will see the different components of automation system. After watching this video, you will be able to understand different components of automation system. The basic elements of automated system. It consists of three basic elements. First is the actuator, which does the work. The actual work is done by the actuator. We have already seen the difference between sensor and actuator. It is controlled by the controller. Again, the important points is the controller. The actuator is controlled by the controller. The actuator in an automated process may in the fact be several actuators, each of which provides an output that drives another in the series of actuators. Some actuators can only be on and off. Other actuator responds proportionally with the signal they receive from controller. Depending on the power supply used, the actuators are again classified as AC actuators or DC actuators. The second important part of automated system is the controller. The controller gives instructions to the actuator how to do the work. A control system either may be a simple digital system or an analog system. Digital and analog controllers are available off the shelf so that systems can be constructed inexpensive and with little specialized knowledge required. This is about the controller. The third important part of automated system is the sensor, which provides feedback to the controller so that it knows the actuator is doing the work. Obviously, the control automation requires devices to sense the system output. The sensors can also be used so that a controller can detect and respond to the changing conditions in its working environment. The sensors are again classified into two types, or we can also call switches and transducers as a sensor. The switches can detect when a measured condition exceeds the preset level. Example, it closes a workpiece is close enough to work on. When the workpiece is on the close enough, the switch will be closed, otherwise it will be open. Transducers can describe a measured condition. Examples, output increased voltage as a workpiece approaches the working zones. These are the three components of the automation system you can understand from this presentation. Thank you and happy learning.